All right, here we are. I got gifted a smoker from Traeger. So we're going to build it. Let's do it. Okay, I finished it. It took me a touch longer than I thought it would, but this thing is so sick. It's not just this. There's more. There's more. They didn't stop here. They also hooked me up with all this Traeger seasonings, a meter plus, a ton of wood and cleaner and all that, and cover for it. Pretty amazing. This hat is fucking sick. I'm pretty psyched right now with all this. I mean, this thing's sick. This hat is sick too. Let me see if I can grab it out. Hold on. Okay. Sick hat. Oh shit. It's a nice fucking hat. This shit looks good on me. This shit looks good. So,